Alright, today I'm going to be replacing the condenser fan motor on this old Carrier Brown Round. These are very, well, they used to be very common, popular units to work on. They were the ones when you did maintenance, it was like, oh no, let me not disturb the tray. I won't be able to get it back together. I lost my magnet. These Carrier bits suck. I wish I knew where my Malco bit was, because Malco bits never lose tip. For now I'm just going to put it on the ground. Okay. So, first to access this fan, we have some of these to loosen. Some to take off. Let's see, that's a loosen. Just a take off or a loosen? That's a loosen. No, that's a loosen. You don't want to take them off or else the whole tray will fall. This is a takeout. Take it out. Even this is a loosen. Not many of them you really got to take out. So you leave them in. Take that out. That's the takeout. That one's a takeout. This is definitely a takeout. No. Loosen. Okay. Let's open the electric. I'm waiting to see the fan motor start squealing because it was written up for replacement by someone else. Alright, open my electric. This one only has that one plate. And here, just loosen. And then you just take this off. It's got a new cap on it. Start components on this, usually get the crustiness on them over time. Still looks good. Now we got to take this off. Once I get this off, comes right up, we can take the fan right off. I'm going to be taking lots of breaks when that guy was mowing the lawn. So just pull the fan out. Or if he's that far away, it won't bother the video. It's when he gets close. Alright, so we got all that. Let's get a screwdriver. Right in here, helps it lift up. It's also got to get under here. But when I started, this was one of the most common AC units to be doing maintenance on. This and the little tiny train that my dad owned. Those are the two most common. It's tight. So that's a little tight. Okay. Alright. If I don't spray this, these don't go back on too well. There we go. Usually these never go back on anyway. One. Just broke off. And that probably won't go back on. Always good to try to get them off. 3 of them will hold. And this one is disintegrated. Flip it. Here's the cover. Good wall decoration. Now we got these. I think they're 11/16. Or I don't have 11/16 on me. Okay, 11/32. A little stripped out, 11/32. Seen better days. So I just use it to start them. You're going 35 years of this being stuck together. knees up too much by walking on them. Let's clean this up since this has never seen daylight before. So once in a lifetime chance to clean it. One more fast spray. Let it soak for a minute. Let's open this motor up. Carrier motors, you can't go generic. They're usually like 850 or 825 for these things. You always got to pay up and order the OEM. On here we got a 830 RPM. They're always a strange RPM. The Carrier. New blade. I'd never seize it, but seriously, this unit is 30 plus years old. Before I attach it. That's as good as it's gonna get. Nobody's gonna see this anyway if I can't get any cleaner. So, okay. Oh, look at that side. Let's give that a quick wipe. Nothing more but a wipe. Some of that old motor gunk out of the way. Doesn't fall and contaminate the new motor. You're right, contaminate. Now here's where your wires are going to go. So you want to kind of follow that when you're mounting the feet. Two, and then there was two more right here. Good. It's just a wire shroud, so. Good. Let's get the blade on. People are gonna freak out again. Using channel locks, channel locks, channel locks. Flat jaw doesn't damage. Perfect for this kind of fastener. little low to the motor. Come up. Right about there. You want to be on the flat. Okay, it's gonna go nowhere now. Nice and tight. Spins around the, no problems. Now the wires, there's a spot here. Right here where the wires came out, this gasket. Gasket, so you just wouldn't pinch it. Now we just gotta get the watt. There we go. The holes to line up. I drop on. Bing, into the bottom. It'll stay into the, it just fell into the season of the abyss. It'll never come back. Minutes feel like days. Good. All in. Black to black. OEM, so they designed it with a short wire. Yellow, brown. Match your yellows and brown. Yellows are commons on this carrier. Every yellow is a common. Now that fan motor should have a new cap for it, but let's see. I should have looked at it before I put it in. Cap is probably a 5. 5370. The white's a 5. No reason to carry anything else but these on your truck. Oh no! It's stepped on. 1, 2, 3 feet. This one's the one that's stuck. There we go. Perfect. That's how it was. See, it's got the cutout for the electric. I gotta bring the plate. Now, if you pull the screws, good luck getting this back on. You only take off the ones you need. Goes on a lot easier because that tray falls when you take them all out. Trust me, I've done it. And I spent hours fighting with trying to get this back on many of these units. When I started, this was one of the most commons, like I said, units out there. The 85 Carrier Brown Round. And you need them when you think you're good at it. You're still gonna fight with it a little. Now I'm going to pay for it if it doesn't work. Since I've sealed it all back up. Lost the screws, so let me go to the bottom of my tool bag where billions of screws are always. So I'm a scavenger. When I find them, I keep them. Let's loosen this. That was like that when I got here, but see if I can tighten it a little. No, I won't be able to, so whatever. Okay. Time to test it. Oh yeah, you also, with your fan, you want to make sure you aim for a certain height in the shroud so it forces the air upward. Too high isn't good, too low isn't good. You're looking for a happy medium. Alright, well, thanks for watching.